Today we're going to show you how to make bath bombs or shower bombs using our DIY kit. Now you may want to use gloves for this one. Our kit contains everything you need, including baking soda, bath salts, citric acid, kaolin clay, 3 oils, which are a carrier oil like jojoba oil, an emulsifier, which is polysorbate 80, and your selected fragrance. Today I'm using Spa. You also have your choice of colors and embeds, either toys or botanicals. Today I'm using botanicals. You want to start by breaking apart your molds because sometimes they can stick together. Then you're going to attach the circular labels to the tops of your molds. All right, let's get down to making the bath bombs. The first step in the process is you want to grab one bowl and empty all 4 of your powders into that one bowl. For now, we want to make sure we keep our powders and our oils separated. Your oils, you want to empty into the measuring cup. Now, some of your oils may be a little viscous, so you want to make sure that you squeeze to get it all out. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. So you want to get your hands into the powder and make sure that you break up any lumps and clumps and you mix it very, very well. You can even use a sifter if you have one at home. After you've mixed well, pour in your oil mixture and get your hands back into the bowl, and you're going to want to blend the oils into the powders. At first it's going to feel kind of weird, but then after about a minute or 2, you'll find the mixture coming together. Make sure you get all of the powders coated in oil. Then, if you're using multiple colors, you're going to want to split out your mixture into another bowl. In my case, I'm using 2 colors. Your mica powders are added to the mixture little by little until you achieve your desired color depth. Use a whisk or a fork to make sure that all of the powder is coated in colorant. When using botanicals, you can add them directly to your powder or you can line the bottoms of your molds. I'm going to put them in about 3 of my molds. Now comes the tricky part. Before molding, you can do the squeeze and drop test to see if your mixture is damp enough to hold together. So you take a handful of powder, squeeze, and then drop it and see if it holds together. You only want to use your spray bottle of water, which is your binding agent, only if necessary. You don't want to use too much water because your powder can prematurely react. In the case of my teal powder, I'm only spritzing it once with a little bit of water. My purple powder didn't need any water at all. Now it's time to mold our bath bombs. Add your mixture to the mold and make sure to press down as you're adding it. In this case, I'm making a multicolored bath bomb and I'm adding my purple and my teal. Press the powder down and ensure that there's no voids in the bath bomb. Make sure to press all the powder in. Right now, I'm just checking the bottom to make sure there's no voids in the bath bomb. I'm cleaning it up a little bit at the top to to make sure that my top can fit right on. You can do the same thing with the bath bombs that you put the botanicals on the bottom. Just make sure you press down the powder so that the botanicals stick to that powder. Your bath bombs are going to need to sit overnight, or at least about 12 hours, so that they can dry out. When it's time to remove your bath bombs, you can go ahead and give it a little tap so they pop out. Your bath bombs are now ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching.